When every second counts, the right emergency tool could be the difference between life and death. A car accident, submerged vehicle, or jammed seatbelt can happen without warning. Would you be ready? Car safety hammers are essential yet often overlooked tools that could save lives in seconds. In this video, we have rounded up the top 5 best car safety hammers that offer reliability, speed, and peace of mind. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's get started. Number 5. Safehammer Upgraded Car Hammer. In 5th place is another variant from Safehammer, the upgraded car hammer set in a 3-color pack. This model is compact, visually appealing, and includes thoughtful design improvements that focus on grip, control, and efficiency. Though similar in function to its sibling model at number 3, this version includes enhanced anti-slip details and slightly different aesthetics. The built-in tungsten steel tip is spring-loaded and only deploys on impact, which adds a measure of safety for households with children or pets. Its powerful 20-kilogram force impact mechanism is specifically designed to break tempered side windows effectively. The included seatbelt cutter also maintains a safe design, with the blade embedded in a U-shaped slot to prevent accidental cuts while remaining effective during emergencies. At only 4 inches in length, this tool is incredibly portable. Number 4. Stinger Super Duty Car Emergency Escape Tool. The Stinger Super Duty Emergency Tool is a heavy-duty safety hammer that earns its place in the 4th spot due to its high build quality and innovative design. It is made from hardened carbon steel and features a spring-loaded window punch mechanism that can shatter tempered glass with minimal effort, even when space is tight or arm movement is restricted. One key advantage is its ergonomic rubber-wrapped handle. The anti-skid design ensures a firm grip in high-stress conditions, making it suitable for quick use by both adults and teenagers. Number 3. Safehammer 2025 Upgraded Emergency Glass Breaker. The 3rd position goes to the Safehammer 2025 Upgraded Emergency Glass Breaker, which brings modern innovation into car safety tools. Unlike traditional hammers, this device features a concealed spring-loaded tungsten tip that only deploys during use, adding a layer of safety and precision that is perfect for compact or crowded vehicles. It is built to deliver a powerful impact force that shatters tempered glass windows almost instantly. Its dual functionality also includes a highly efficient seatbelt cutter. The cutter has a stainless steel U-shaped blade that is securely housed to prevent accidental injuries. This safety-focused design ensures that anyone, regardless of strength or experience, can use it to escape quickly during an emergency. Number 2. SINSEN Car Safety Hammer Set of 2. Coming in second is the SINSEN Car Safety Hammer Set, a budget-friendly yet impressively capable emergency escape solution. This 2-pack set includes everything you need to be prepared in a vehicle emergency, offering both a window breaker and a seat belt cutter in each unit. Built with a sturdy carbon steel double-headed hammer and a razor-sharp blade, the SINSEN hammer does not cut corners when it comes to durability. One of its biggest strengths is the visibility and design. Its bright red body makes it easy to locate during low-light situations or moments of panic. It features an ergonomic anti-slip handle that makes gripping and using the tool easy, even for individuals who may not have much physical strength. The curved hook design of the seat belt cutter adds an extra layer of safety by reducing the risk of accidental cuts. What helps this hammer stand out is the multi-pack offering. You can choose from sets that include 2, 3, or more tools, making it easy to equip all the cars in your household. Number 1. Amazon Basics Emergency Seat Belt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool. The Amazon Basics Emergency Seat Belt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool earns the top spot on our list for one simple reason: it delivers outstanding value with tried-and-true reliability. Designed as a 2-in-1 emergency escape tool, this compact hammer combines a razor-sharp seat belt cutter with a tungsten metal double-head window breaker. Whether you are dealing with a rollover, fire, or submerged vehicle, this tool allows you to react swiftly without hesitation. What truly sets this model apart is its thoughtful, user-friendly design. The bright orange plastic handle ensures visibility in low light or high stress conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.